Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's find and circle the object letter A to C. Let's start. Find objects. Color the letter and circle the related object. This is letter A. Let's start. Let's color the letter A. A. A is for apple. Ant. Airplane. X. Let's circle the letter A object. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. A is for X. A. Apple, ant, airplane, X. This is letter B. First, let's color the letter B. Bus, duck, banana, ball, dolphin, balloon. B is for bus. B-U-S, bus. Let's circle. B is for banana. B is for ball. B is for balloon. B is for bus, banana, ball, balloon. This is letter C. First, color the letter C. Cow, dog, flower, car, cat, camel. Now let's color the object. C is for cow. C is for car. C is for cat. C is for camel. C is for cow, car, cat, camel. Let's repeat again. A is for apple, airplane, and X. B is for bus, ball, balloon, banana. C is for cow, car, cat, camel. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.